Film. Bienvenido, film jammers. Have you been looking for a wireless follow focus to wet your whistle to get those sweet in-focus shots? Well, today we're checking out the Tilta Nucleus-M wireless follow focus. We'll see the pros and cons and even some hot sample footage. Are you ready? If you're new to wireless follow focus systems, what they allow you to do is to keep your camera in focus from a distance, most times with a separate camera assistant who's able to view the footage wirelessly on a Teradek or similar transmitter from the camera. This is very popular when working with a Steadicam or a gimbal, or even when handheld if it's difficult for the operator to pull their own focus. Preston, Arri, and other industry standard wireless follow focus systems can cost tens of thousands of dollars. So with the release of the Tilta Nucleus-M, many are saying it's the first truly affordable wireless follow focus setup for indie filmmakers. It's right around the $1,200 mark for the kit. $1,200? You call that affordable? Now we actually ordered our Tilta kit here about 2 months ago, and it just got here. These kits are very popular and back ordered at most retailers. So let's see if the Nucleus-M lives up to the hype. It's affordable. Like we mentioned, at $1,200, this may be the most affordable follow focus on the market right now. Even the former indie favorite, the DJI wireless follow focus, was about $2,000, and it didn't come with nearly as many accessories as this kit here does. The handles. These are a really cool feature, and they're not included with too many other wireless follow focus setups, if any that we're aware of. So you can actually set each control on here. These are the dials to focus, iris, or zoom independently. It's a really neat feature if you're going to be one-man banding it as a single camera operator. The folks at Tilta seem to have good support for a new device. The team has a Facebook group that they set up, and we've been a part of since the release. And the engineers are truly devoted to creating a great piece of gear. They support their customers when the issues arise, and it's pretty neat to be able to communicate directly with the people designing the product. It made us feel more comfortable about purchasing a new product from them. The Tilta Nucleus-M feels durable and well-made. It has some really modern tech built into it, and they didn't skimp on the creation. It seems like it'll hold up on the rigors of daily use, and it's made of metal and wood, like a boat or an axe.
Or a boat axe, ladies.
Initial setup can take some time and maybe be a little frustrating. Breathe deeply and just know that you're investing time in learning a pretty fancy piece of gear. To us, it was worth taking the time, but it might be a little frustrating to some. The menus are a bit confusing. It takes a little time to get used to, and there are quite a few options in there. It may not be the most intuitive menu system, but the company is committed to making it better with each firmware update. We think this will be an area that continues to get better and better, but be prepared for a little bit of a learning curve. So this may seem minor, but the strap that comes with the Nucleus-M doesn't seem like it works as well as we would have liked. The connector here is a bit flimsy, and as you can see, it can come out of there, and we actually had that happen on a shoot. The case that comes with the Nucleus-M is a little too small. It's nice that it comes with the case included, but it really isn't large enough for the kit once you add a few accessories, and I wouldn't recommend working out of it on set. So we're going to take out the Tilta Nucleus-M for a spin on our Alexa Mini with the Fujinon Cabrio 20-120 lens. This way we can test out 3 motors, one for focus, iris, and zoom. Now remember, the kit only includes 2 motors when you buy it. We did buy an extra one so that we can control that zoom function. Okay, so our camera assistant Brandon is using the Nucleus-M to control each of the motors with the hand unit. One for focus, iris, and zoom. Okay, so here you can see he's adjusting just the focus. Now in this shot, he's adjusting the focus and zoom simultaneously. And here's all 3 motors working at the same time. This control opens up the possibilities to pull off some really complex shots. It's a really powerful little system. Overall, the Tilta Nucleus-M seems really promising for the money. If you're in the market for a wireless follow focus, it's definitely one we'd recommend checking out. Hope you enjoyed the review, and if you haven't checked out our unboxing video of the Nucleus-M yet, check that out as well. What do you think about the Nucleus-M? Does it live up to the hype? And what's your favorite follow focus? Tell us in the comments below, and please subscribe to the channel.